Welcome, runners and fitness enthusiasts. Get ready to lace up and elevate your run with our ultimate guide to the best running shoes of 2024. Whether you're pounding the pavement or hitting the trails, join us as we unveil these game changers that'll fuel your stride and set new benchmarks in the world of running footwear. Let's dive in. Puma Velocity Nitro 2. I'm starting off by introducing you to the Puma Men's Velocity Nitro 2, which is my first sneaker purchase. I can assure you that these kicks are quite powerful. To begin with, the design is eye-catching and contemporary, drawing attention with its vivid color schemes and streamlined form. Now, let's discuss performance. Puma's innovative Nitro foam technology, featured in the Velocity Nitro 2, offers an amazing blend of cushioning and responsiveness. It's like sprinting on clouds without giving up any energy. Whether you're pounding the street or the trails, the outsole clings like crazy and offers superior traction. Moreover, the breathable top material keeps your feet cool and comfy throughout those extended runs. However, some people may find the fit a little snug, so if your feet are bigger, you might want to consider getting a size higher. All things considered, these shoes are an excellent option for runners seeking a combination of superior performance and flair. Saucony Ride 17. The Saucony Men's Ride 17 sneaker is the next product. In the world of running shoes, the Saucony Men's Ride 17 sneaker stands out as a premium choice because to its remarkable feature set that addresses both comfort and performance. The PWR Run Plus cushioning, its unique feature, enhances the running experience by providing unmatched comfort and giving each stride a responsive, springy feel. This technology provides runners looking for the ideal blend of responsiveness and cushioning with every stride by striking the ideal balance between providing enough support and regaining energy with each step. Beyond its cushioning, the designed mesh design is truly revolutionary. Carefully created to offer enhanced ventilation around the toes, as well as a smart midfoot wrap that guarantees a secure, snug fit. The heel's additional support without sacrificing comfort helps the shoe maintain its position even more. The durability of the Ride 17 is highlighted by Saucony's attention to detail in fortifying high-wear contact locations underfoot, which promises longevity and consistent performance even after weathering severe use. Nike Winflo 10. Next up are the women's road running shoes, the Nike Air Winflo 10. These are a great option for neutral runners, since they are expertly crafted to provide the ideal mix of comfort, stability, and support. These shoes are designed to accommodate runners who land on their forefoot or heel, offering just the perfect amount of support without being too cushioned. This ensures a stable and comfortable experience for all runners. Their adaptability is evident as they can easily transition between shorter sprints and longer distances, guaranteeing a steady and dependable performance. Especially noteworthy for their lifespan, these shoes have strong overlays in the toe area that strengthen the structure and increase lifetime by enduring the demands of regular wear and tear. In addition, the tongue's attachment to the shoe's inner lining is crucial for maximizing fit, as it provides a tight, secure feeling that reduces unneeded movement during running. Brooks Adrenaline GTS 23. The Brooks Men's Adrenaline GTS 23. Supportive running shoe is the next product in our lineup. It is an exceptional option designed for runners who want steady assistance and a dependable, smooth run. With certifications as a PDAC A5500 diabetic shoe and the APMA seal of acceptance, this shoe is made especially for runners who value support throughout their runs. Its superior design and functionality are guaranteed. Building on the popularity, this revised model has the groundbreaking Guide Rails holistic support system, which naturally aligns your body and efficiently restricts excessive movement to provide a secure and pleasant running experience all around. Its redesigned midsole, which has DNA Loft V2 cushioning and offers softness while also drastically lowering the shoe's weight, is a critical component that improves performance all around. Comfort and breathability are also given priority in the designed Air Mesh upper, which is further improved with 3D Fitprint technology, which adds structure for a snug and supportive fit. This shoe carries on the history of the Adrenaline series by using engineered air mesh and 3D fit print, and provides a reliable and tested fit that encourages stability and confidence during runs. Asics Gel Kayano 30. Following that are the Asics Men's Gel Kayano 30 running shoes. These are amazing inventions that combine comfort and style to improve your jogging. In addition to being breathable, the designed stretch knit upper is flexible and custom-fitting, keeping your feet cool and comfy during your runs while offering the necessary support. The external rear heel counter, which stabilizes your foot and improves the comfort and confidence of your stride, is the true game-changer. Stepping things up a level, the 4D guidance system provides adjustable stability that makes for a more balanced and natural stride. It promotes a more fluid and effective running stride by reducing pointless motions, much like a guide. Adding to this, the rear foot Pure Gel technology cushions your landings, significantly reducing the impact on your feet and giving you a softer, more comfortable experience. The FF Blast Plus Eco Cushioning is another noteworthy characteristic of this product. It offers cloud-like comfort along with an eco-friendly edge because to its 20% bio-based material composition. This novel strategy maintains performance and comfort levels while adhering to eco-conscious principles. New Balance Fresh Foam X 1080 V13. At last, the Fresh Foam X 1080 V13 running shoe from New Balance for women is out. This is an amazing combination of performance, sustainability, and comfort. With about 3% bio-based material made from renewable resources, the Fresh Foam X midsole foam provides exceptional comfort and opulent cushioning, while also lowering carbon emissions. This creative method complies with environmentally friendly standards while still guaranteeing a soft and comfortable run. With two distinct foams combined, the dual-density midsole offers the ideal combination of cushioning and responsiveness for the best possible running experience while maintaining the ideal balance between comfort and performance. Additionally, the Endurance Rubber outsole technology increases strength in high-wear areas so that your running sessions will last longer and the shoes can resist repeated usage. The shoe's usefulness is enhanced by the designed air mesh top, which improves ventilation and keeps your feet cool and comfortable when running. Reflective accents, which are intended to capture light and improve visibility in low light, also provide a safety element by ensuring that you stay visible and safe during evening runs or low visibility areas. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video. Hey, subscribing is fun. So, to receive updates on our most recent videos, please subscribe, like, and click the bell icon. Thank you for watching.